Have you ever seen an SMT line suddenly produce missing components, misaligned parts, and a huge drop in yield? When quality problems appear, every minute counts. But where should you start? The feeder, the nozzle, the materials, or the machine settings? In today's lesson, you'll join a real SMT quality investigation. You'll learn how engineers identify defects, inspect the production line, find the root cause, and take corrective actions to restore production. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to discuss SMT quality issues confidently using real factory English. Let's get started.
Morning, Mai. We have an urgent issue on SMT Line 3.
What happened?
The AOI found many defective boards after the last production lot.
How many defects are we talking about?
Around 30 boards out of 200 failed the inspection.
That's much higher than the normal defect rate.
Yes, production asked us to stop the line immediately.
Good decision. We need to prevent more rejects.
The operator already pressed the emergency stop.
Has the production supervisor been informed?
Yes, he's waiting for our update.
Let's check the failed boards first.
Here they are. Most of them have missing components.
I also see some misaligned components.
Do you think the pick-and-place machine caused this?
Maybe, but let's collect more evidence before making a conclusion.
Should we review the AOI images?
Definitely. They will help us identify the exact problem.
Here is the first image.
The capacitor is completely missing.
And this resistor is shifted to one side.
That could lead to poor electrical contact.
Here's another board.
This one has a tombstone defect.
I noticed that too.
The solder only attached to one side of the component.
Could the reflow oven temperature be unstable?
It's possible, but we shouldn't guess.
Let's verify the temperature profile.
Good idea. We also need to inspect the feeder.
Why the feeder?
If the feeder doesn't feed components correctly, the machine cannot place them accurately.
That explains the missing components.
Exactly.
I'll ask maintenance to check the machine.
Before that, let's inspect the component reel.
The reel looks almost empty.
Is there enough tape tension?
It seems loose.
Loose tape can cause feeding problems.
I didn't notice that during setup.
That's why we always follow the setup checklist.
You're right.
Let's compare this reel with a new one.
The new reel feeds much more smoothly.
That may be one cause.
Should we replace the old reel now?
Yes, but we still need to inspect the rest of the process.
You mean there could be more than one root cause?
Exactly. We need evidence before we restart production.
I'll call the maintenance technician right away.
Good. Meanwhile, let's isolate all the suspected boards.
I'll place them in the hold area.
Make sure every box has a hold tag.
Done. No one will use them until we finish the investigation.
Great. We also need to check the solder paste.
Do you think the solder paste could be the problem?
It's one possibility. We should never rule anything out too early.
I'll check the expiration date.
Also check the storage temperature.
The date is still valid.
What about the temperature record?
Everything looks normal.
Good. Let's move to the stencil printer.
I have the last SPI report here.
Any abnormal solder paste deposits?
Most measurements are within the specification.
Are there any warnings?
Yes, a few pads show low solder volume.
That could contribute to the problem, but it doesn't explain the missing components.
You're right.
Let's inspect the nozzle on the pick-and-place machine.
Maintenance just arrived.
Hi, we need your help with an urgent inspection.
We found many missing components and some misaligned components.
I'll start checking the nozzle and the vacuum pressure.
Thank you. While you check the machine, should we review the production records?
Yes, let's compare today's data with yesterday's.
Yesterday's yield was 99.6%.
And today's?
It's dropped to 84%.
That's a serious decrease.
I also noticed the problem started after the material change.
Which material?
The new component reel from another supplier.
Interesting. Did we perform an incoming inspection?
Yes, the report says everything passed.
Then let's not blame the supplier yet.
Agreed.
I found something.
What did you discover?
One nozzle is worn out.
Can that cause missing components?
Yes, the weak suction makes it difficult to pick up small parts.
That explains part of the issue.
Is there anything else?
The feeder is also slightly loose, so we may have two contributing factors. Let's replace the nozzle and repair the feeder before running another test. Before restarting the line, let's complete a root cause analysis. I'll record everything in the incident report.
Good. Include the defect rate, machine findings, and inspection results.
Done.
What's our next step? We need to replace the worn nozzle first.
Maintenance has already installed a new one.
Great. Has the loose feeder been adjusted?
Yes, it's locked securely now.
Excellent. Let's perform a test run.
How many boards should we produce?
Let's start with 20 boards.
Production is ready.
Make sure the operator follows the work instruction carefully.
I'll remind everyone before we start.
Good. Consistency is very important.
The first board has entered the pick-and-place machine.
Let's monitor every process closely.
The boards are moving through the reflow oven now.
I'll wait for the AOI inspection results.
The first board passed.
Excellent. What about the second one?
It also passed.
Keep checking all 20 boards.
10 boards have finished.
Any defects so far?
None.
That's a good sign.
All 20 boards have completed the inspection.
What's the final result?
100% passed.
Excellent work.
Can we restart normal production now?
Yes, but we need to take corrective actions first.
Besides replacing the nozzle?
We should update the preventive maintenance schedule.
That will help us avoid similar problems.
We also need to inspect every feeder before each shift.
I'll add that to the daily checklist.
Good idea.
Should we train the operators again?
Yes, we'll review the setup checklist and machine inspection procedures.
That should reduce human errors.
Exactly. Prevention is always better than correction.
I'll share today's findings with the production team.
Include photos from the AOI and explain the root cause clearly.
I'll also recommend replacing worn nozzles before they fail.
Perfect. That will improve reliability.
Thanks for guiding me through the investigation.
You did a great job. Teamwork helps us solve problems faster.
Agreed. The line is stable again and we can continue production with confidence.
Great job. Today, you've learned how to investigate SMT line quality issues, identify possible root causes, and apply effective corrective and preventive actions. Remember, solving quality problems isn't just about fixing defects, it's about preventing them from happening again. Keep practicing these real factory conversations, and you'll communicate more confidently in any manufacturing workplace. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.